right, here's some in-car of what it sounds like. What was that? What's up, guys? It's your boy Zealous here, and today we're gonna be doing a intake mod. As you can see here, my current intake solution is an unbolted airbox, and it sounds pretty cool, especially since I did the diverter valve mod. If you want more info on that, you can either search it up or let me know down below and I'll do a tutorial on how to do that. But today I went to O'Reilly's and picked up some parts so that we can make ourselves a little makeshift intake. I think I spent like 60 bucks on it overall, honestly. But right now we're gonna get some sound clips. But what we did get, we got a Spectre Performance air filter, just a nice sleek black one. We got the coupler kit, some hose clamps, and then we got a 90 because we're gonna try to reuse the stock cold air system that goes into here. So I'm gonna unbolt the stock airbox now, so we can get down to like the filter and things of that nature. Then we can start ripping this stuff out and putting the new stuff in. All right, so y'all boys don't want to know how long that took me, but we got this airbox off. But before we continue the video, I just wanted to say shout out to my buddy Tyler. Just started a YouTube channel himself, Wide Open Auto. He's doing this cool drift trike build. He just got his drive shaft in, so expect a video on that sometime soon. And he's building this sick ass Drift Miata. You see his motor up there, and then his is a sick car that he's restoring himself, making fucking parts for, and cool shit that I can't do. Come check that shit out. Look at his fucking headers for his, bruh. Go check that man out. Go give him a fucking sub if you see this video. All right, so I gotta get this weird like half zip tie looking thing out of the way. What am I looking at? How do you get this off? Aha. Do you push this? Yes, you do. Alright, so if you ever want to learn how to get that clip off, you get yourself a little pocket screwdriver. That's actually a flathead. Shit always throws me off, but you want to push down on that, and then I'm assuming there's some sort of twist animation that you gotta do. Just take this vacuum hose off. Just let that hang there for a sec so we can get more range of motion out of this thing.
A few moments later.
Oh, you motherfuckers. There's two of them. Dude, fuck you. Alright, so the way this clip works, you have to look at the top and the bottom, and they actually like hook. Oh god, I dropped. So you look at these this clip that's on the airbox that holds this hose on, whatever the fuck that hose does. There's a second part to it, but what you do is you have to look at the bottom and you push this clip in and it pops that out, and then you push the top clip in and it pops that out too. So this is what that fucking stupid ass clip looks like. Alright, so on to the next part. Let's see. Is it seriously that simple? Fuck yeah it is. Fuck yeah, yeah it is. Oh, I mean, hey. Alright, so we got that off. It might not have been the prettiest, but we're here. This is our old air filter. If anybody wants a mint Passat, yeah, literally mint Passat air filter, hit me up. My Instagram is OhSoZealous. I'll put it on the screen somewhere, but hit me up if you want this. I'll ship it out. Actually, I'll pay for fucking shipping. Just get this off me for something. I gotta make a profit though. Alright, so now we're down to our stock airbox. While we were fighting with this thing, Tyler was getting parts open over here, getting us started. Wow, shit, he already has the intake fucking damn near fully put together. We did some ghetto stuff. You want to tell the people what you did, Tyler?
With this isn't too ghetto. We basically just went to a rally, spent a couple bucks, got a nice little 45 degree and a fitting.
Let me just get the angle on that, because I don't know, like, it looks like a 90. I don't know.
It is definitely a 45.
All right, let us know in the comments down below if that's a 45 or a 90. If you say 45, you're wrong. So So we have here our Spectre air intake. We got a 90 because it's a 90-degree angle, as you can see there. Tyler went ahead and clamped this up. Again, like we were saying, we didn't have enough hose. They didn't have enough hose clamp, so we just made one, and it has two. It's pretty sick engineering. And then on the 90, we have this. So we're gonna go over to our intake, and we're gonna try to reuse the stock location and, you know, kind of get that mocked up there so that we can still get the fresh air that comes from the bottom of the air intake. That's so sick. Actually, wait, the intake kind of holds it there, low key.
You're gonna want to worry about it flexing though and heating
that's
up.
True. I fucking hate these clamps, bro. Hey, Volt, if the fucking maker of these bitch ass clamps is watching this, fuck you and everything you love, because these clamps are so stupid. What's wrong with these?
Let's see how it sits real quick. I mean, it's not terrible, but like I said, if you get something a little tight.
To mount it down to the actual air box.
All right, so let's start it in here.
Oh yeah. All right, here's some in-car of what it sounds like. What was that? So after the CEO of Wide Open Auto tried to sabotage my engine, we were trying to get, what else did you drop? Oh, he used that fucking like hook jack weird thing, but we're trying to get an in-car clip of what the intake sounds like for you boys and girls. We don't discriminate. All right, so we can't build enough boost for it to be noticeable. So you're gonna put it in. Oh man, guys, that thing sounds fucking. But here's with the window down. Just put the window down. That's heavy. Right now?
Yeah, down close enough.
All right.
Like it so far?
Bro, yeah, she's fucking sick. It sounds so rad, bro. Holy fuck. All right, well, that's pretty much the end of the video. We're gonna try to figure out some sort of solution to get this to not, that's already hot, to not have this just kind of sit here with this much strain. We're trying to figure out some sort of thing. But besides that, if we figure something out, I'll put a picture of it here at the end of the video. But this has been the end of the video. Shout out to Tyler of Wide Open Auto again. Fucking watch his shit. That drift trike, I'm excited for it, so you should be too. And tell your fucking kids and grandkids and whatnot about it. But yeah, that's been it. I'll see you guys later, dogs.